A blue-lit conference room fills with the quiet hum of anticipation. Emma Chun, a digital marketing strategist, prepares to address her audience on mastering PPC automation in the era of artificial intelligence. Her laptop screen flickers, case studies, workflow diagrams, and bold insights ready for display. Emma opens with a scene of the present, advertisers juggling dozens of campaigns, keywords, and budgets, until AI-powered automation enters. She spotlights a mid-sized e-commerce brand, Drift Style, whose manual bid adjustments drain the team's time and patience. With only moderate success, their PPC manager, Rajiv, seemed always one step behind the fluctuating market trends. A turning point emerges. Rajiv pilots an AI-driven automation platform tailored to PPC. Its algorithms analyze competitor movements, predict seasonal spikes, and self-optimize ad placements around the clock. The interface is lean, friendly, and filled with actionable insights, not just numbers. The first week is turbulent. Automated bids leap, sometimes erratically. Rules clash with Rajiv's instincts. Emma recounts a tense midnight when a surge in bids threatens to blow the monthly budget. Rajiv, skeptical but curious, watches as the system self-corrects, pulling back outliers and reallocating spend to top-performing segments. Emma shifts the focus to transparency. She narrates how DriftStyle's team struggled to trust the black box of AI. It isn't magic, it's statistics and machine learning, she says, demystifying the process. Regular reporting dashboards highlight not just what's happening, but why. The AI flags an emerging trend in mobile searches, prompting a creative pivot and new ad copy. Each team member learns to interrogate the data, set guardrails, and treat automation as a partner, not a replacement. A twist. During a holiday sale, competitors unleash aggressive bidding campaigns. DriftStyle's automation responds in real time, preserving budget, boosting placements where ROI is highest, and even testing niche keywords that manual strategies overlooked. The results: sales spike, cost per click drops, and Rajiv's workload shift from manual tweaking to strategic oversight. Emma closes the session with a step-by-step guide. Scene by scene, she outlines best practices. Integrate automation tools with clear objectives and boundaries. Monitor performance dashboards closely, intervening when needed. Experiment with rule-based and machine learning approaches. Foster a culture of curiosity. Review AI hot takes. Test its recommendations, and never stop learning. She offers that the era of AI isn't about relinquishing control. It's about amplifying human creativity and precision. The audience leaves, not with a utopian vision, but a practical roadmap. Emma's last slide lingers. PPC success in the AI era belongs to those who guide automation, not those who fear it.